Welcome. This video is about building better business decisions using AI-powered scenario planning with Claude. Today, we'll cover 5 parts: understanding scenario types in theory, a hands-on business case study, running financial simulations, exploring the prompt cookbook, and finally, practice exercises. Part 1 establishes the foundation. What are scenarios, why do they matter, and how do you choose the right type? This knowledge is essential before writing any prompt. A scenario is a plausible, internally consistent story about a possible future. It is not a prediction. It is a decision tool that prepares you for multiple outcomes. The true test of a good scenario is whether it changes what you do. The 4 main scenario types are best/base/worst for budgeting, the 2x2 matrix for long-term strategy, sensitivity analysis for stress testing single variables, and Monte Carlo for probability-weighted simulations. We must test the probability of outcomes, as not all scenarios are equally likely. Techniques include expert elicitation, reference class forecasting, Bayesian updating, decision tree analysis, and the pre-mortem analysis. Part 2 introduces our case study, Decision AI Consulting, a fictional startup. This business plan provides the numbers we will stress test with real scenario analysis. Decision AI Consulting offers a service ladder from an $8,500 decision sprint to a $65,000 simulation suite. Our goal is the $4,500 monthly retainer for predictable revenue. The base case forecast shows a $70,000 loss in year 1, a $350,000 profit in year 2, and break even at month 19. The question is, what happens if reality is worse than expected? Part 3 focuses on running simulations. We will stress test the business plan using a 3-scenario financial model, sensitivity analysis, and a pre-mortem exercise. The 3-scenario analysis shows potential financial outcomes. The worst case, 25% probability, reveals that seed capital could be depleted by month 11 to 12, forcing immediate action if this scenario emerges. Our sensitivity analysis on customer acquisition cost reveals the breaking point. Above a $10,000 CAC, the business loses money. The practical insight is to set a firm CAC ceiling of $8,000 and monitor it diligently. The pre-mortem assumes failure and works backward. The top risks are inability to close the first few clients and inconsistent delivery quality. This analysis forces us to create prevention actions before it's too late. Part 4 is the prompt cookbook, your step-by-step guide to building any business scenario. You can copy the provided templates, fill in the details, and get results. The 5-step process is: set the stage by assigning a role and context, define scope with constraints, build scenarios using an explicit output format, pressure test, and finally, convert the analysis into a decision playbook. These 5 frameworks cover the most common business scenario decisions. They include market entry, pricing strategy, hiring and team growth, crisis response, and investment/capital allocation. You can find the full copy-paste prompt text in the tutorial document. A high-quality prompt has 5 core components: role, decision, facts, scope, and format. Specifically defining the output format ensures Claude follows instructions precisely, delivering the structured results you need. Avoid common mistakes by always asking for at least 3 scenarios, including 1 worst case. Use specific numbers and constraints. Always ask Claude to assign probabilities that sum to 100%. Part 5 features 3 practice exercises designed to build your skills, from your very first prompt to a full capstone decision playbook. The beginner exercise focuses on building your first scenario in 15 minutes. Intermediate focuses on sensitivity analysis. The capstone exercise is for building a full decision playbook. These power phrases are your cheat sheet. Use them in follow-up prompts to refine output, quantify results, challenge assumptions, and get board-ready summaries. Remember, scenarios are preparation, not prediction. Always use the right scenario type for the question. Assign probabilities, follow the 5-step process, and prioritize prompt quality. Open Claude now and build your first scenario.